Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Annalisa Family Mix Vlogs. I'm in the Philippines na this time, guys. At I have visitors here, mga kids ng pamangkin ko at saka yung anak ng sister ko from America.
Oh my goodness, I don't like snake. No. Look at. Hello, what's something boy or girl? Is it boy? Jojo, this is boy or girl? What's his name? Huh? Immortal, you are immortal. Wala ka matayon din. Oh. Why kamatayon? You are so strong. You don't get scared. What if it's just biting? Lucky ako na siya baye.
Baye ni lucky.
Oh, I did a video. Here.
Picture! Smile! 1, 2, 3!
Diyo ko, bahala ate. Hindi ko ganag snake. I don't like snake. Uy, Jojo! Shh, be careful, the dog will bite that one.
I am in the house now, and here is my sister Blanca.
Layo naman. Ano gini, sulti nung kang batik kag naong ginaas video. Ngara WhatsApp. That's my sister, Edna Blanca, Panuhayo. Sige, pati na.
Ano pa sila sa bitinte?
Oh, narito nagpicture-picture, ganahan kay silang duha. Si David, si Christina. Didyo ko ganahan bitin som saon. Uy, kasi kalimitan yung bata ha.
Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe and